Do you find the samba beat difficult or confusing on the drum set? Today I'm going to show you a way to learn the samba step by step. And at the end of the video, I've got a bonus for you. By the way, if you're new to Brad Allen Drums, I'm a Kansas City area jazz drummer. I'm also a private drum teacher who has helped many students master the drum set, including my student Zach Forsyth, who became a professional drummer and toured China with trumpeter Lee Sachuan. The type of samba I'm going to show you today is the type that's used most of the time by jazz musicians. It's a bit different from the traditional samba. This video is a follow-up video to another samba drumming video that I did for beginners. It's more advanced. I definitely recommend watching and mastering the material I presented in that video before attempting the material presented in this video. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below. Okay, so once you can play a basic samba with quarter notes on the bass drum, the next step is to add the following rhythm on the bass drum. Step 1, start by practicing right, left, 16th notes on the hi-hat along with that rhythm. Step 2 is add the hi-hat on the off beats with your right foot, like this. Step 3, play that rhythm with your feet along with the following rhythm on the cymbal. By the way, I've got the basic rhythms for the hands written out on my website so you can follow along. Just follow the link in the video or in the notes below the video. Step 4 is you can break up that right hand pattern a little bit and add some notes on the snare drum with your left hand. Step 5 is practice improvising on the snare drum and toms over that same foot pattern. After you've learned to play this way, go through the same steps again, but now leave out the hi-hat. Start with the right hand on the hi-hat and eventually practice soloing this way. I'm going to demonstrate just a little faster. Now, in case you're wondering why I included that hi-hat with my left foot on that offbeat first before doing all that, is I actually find that somewhat easier. It took quite a while to get comfortable leaving out that hi-hat for me, so you can practice it both ways and see which is easier for you. Ultimately, you want to learn to do it both ways, but see what's easiest. The thing that I need to stress here again is that everything I've shown you here is quite advanced. Take it slow and be patient with yourself. It took me a long time to get comfortable with this. Now for the bonus I mentioned earlier. As a thank you for watching today, I have a free gift that I'd like to send you. I have a list of 10 beats that all drummers need to know and a video demonstrating all those beats I'd like to send you absolutely free. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below. Please comment below and tell me if there are any other Latin beats that you'd like me to demonstrate and teach in one of these videos, or if you want to just comment helpful, that would also be really awesome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Thank you for watching, and I have a whole playlist about Latin drum beats that I know that you'll also find really helpful. Please watch those next, and we'll see you next time.